Keeping your furry friend well-groomed is an essential part of their overall health and happiness. While professional grooming services are widely available, there are times when grooming your pet at home becomes necessary or simply more convenient. In this video, we present a collection of helpful tips for grooming your pet at home, brought to you by the RAVETerinary YouTube channel. Whether you have a dog, cat, or other small companion, these expert tips will ensure that your pet looks and feels their best. 1. Prepare the right tools. Before diving into the grooming process, it's crucial to gather all the necessary tools. RAVETerinary advises having a pet-specific brush or comb, nail clippers, ear cleaner, pet-friendly shampoo, and towels readily available. Investing in high-quality grooming tools will make the process easier and more comfortable for both you and your pet. 2. Introduce gradually. If your pet is not accustomed to grooming sessions, introduce the process gradually. Begin by touching their paws, ears, and tail gently, rewarding them with treats and praise. Gradually increase the duration of these sessions to ensure that your pet becomes comfortable with the grooming routine. 3. Brushing and coat care. Regular brushing helps maintain a healthy coat by removing loose hair and preventing matting. RAVETerinary recommends using a brush suitable for your pet's specific coat type and length. Long-haired breeds may require more frequent brushing to prevent tangles, while short-haired pets may benefit from a rubber grooming mitt or slicker brush. Remember to reward your pet with positive reinforcement throughout the brushing process. 4. Nail trimming. Keeping your pet's nails trimmed is essential for their comfort and mobility. Start by acquainting your pet with the nail clippers, allowing them to sniff and investigate. Trim the nails carefully, ensuring you don't cut into the pink area containing nerves and blood vessels. If you're unsure, consult RAVETerinary's nail trimming tutorial for a step-by-step guide. 5. Ear cleaning. Ear infections are common among pets, making regular ear cleaning crucial. Use a veterinarian-recommended ear cleaning solution and gently wipe the visible parts of the ears with a cotton ball or pad. Avoid inserting anything deep into the ear canal, as this can cause injury. If your pet displays signs of discomfort, such as excessive scratching or shaking their head, consult a veterinarian. 6. Bathing techniques. Bathing your pet is an essential part of their grooming routine. RAVETerinary suggests using lukewarm water and a pet-friendly shampoo that suits your pet's coat and skin type. Before bathing, brush out any tangles or mats. Use gentle, massaging motions while shampooing, paying extra attention to hard-to-reach areas. Rinse thoroughly to remove all soap residue, as it can cause skin irritation. 7. Teeth and oral care. Dental health plays a vital role in your pet's overall well-being. Establish a regular teeth brushing routine using a toothbrush and toothpaste designed specifically for pets. Begin by introducing your pet to the taste of the toothpaste, gradually working up to brushing their teeth. Remember to consult RAVEterinary's dental care video for proper techniques and additional tips. Properly grooming your pet at home not only helps maintain their physical appearance but also promotes their overall health and well-being. With the expert guidance provided by RAVETerinary, you can confidently embark on the journey of at-home grooming. Remember to be patient, offer plenty of positive reinforcement, and consult a veterinarian for any specific concerns or questions.